welcome to Art for the Heart Painting Show CV6. Subscribe and drop a like. Okay guys, this is the painting that I'm working on. And these are clouds. Let me get let me wipe my knife off and I'll see how I did those clouds with a painting knife. That's okay. Here's one. So I'll take my paint knife and I'll start spinning my knife onto the canvas. So, go back and reload my knife and let's see, I'll do a cloud right there. Cloud right there. This is this titanium white, so I'm using. Yeah, just subscribe and drop a like. Brush the snow on with my little brush here. This little brush. Putting the snow on with this brush. The snow is flat, so it's like water. Water's flat, so snow is flat. So that's how I'm putting my snow on. Sorry about that. If you guys like me to what kind of landscape you like me to paint, and I'll do it on my show. So let me know what kind of landscape you like me to paint, and I'll do it on my show.